Guys, it's Sunday. I usually don't go out on Sundays, but for today, I'm going to make an exemption because my friend invited me over for lunch. He's excited because he moved into his new condo, which is situated very near po sa Kongipoyan. This is mga 5-minute walk from here, but it's high noon, so masakyanan ko going there. So, ito siya. Join me as I visit his new condo. We're going to make a condo tour if he permits, and of course join us as we catch up with each other. By the way, he's from Iloilo. He's one of my closest Ilonggo friends, and he's the one who taught me how to speak Ilonggo. And timing kayo because earlier when I chose what to wear, I came across with this may dinagyang shirt. I was in Iloilo about 3 years ago to join their dinagyang. So perfect kayo nga mo sa akong suoton. So guys, join me as I visit his place, and I'm excited kaya he's also preparing for lunch. So bye! Bye! Ato na ta. Join me, I'm going to his place. Bye! So we're here na. Abot ako sa ilang unit. Hi, Tito! Hi, Coco! Hi, Coco! Hi, Coco! Hi, Tito!
Hi! At last, you're here!
Wow! Thank you! Hi, Ai! Long time no see! Matanggal siya ko shoes!
Hi, Gabi! It's okay!
Yeah, natanggal tayo. We're Asian. Yay!
We're still cooking.
What's for lunch?
Yeah, it's Korea. We're gonna have Korean and
Korea lunch! Yay!
At iba pa.
Thank you guys!
So,
Kano saan mo na balhin dire?
March. End of March, I think.
End of March. Sige, kamudahan ni Iris. Yee! Silingan na ta! Oh my God! Ano siya feeling? Ay, Coco! Dito silingan na ta.
Yes! Yes!
So, kung laan mo lami food,
Marco, anytime.
diretso lang ko ari.
Okay.
Yeah.
Huwag daw kasi.
Go! Saan din nag-design sa imong kitchen dito?
Wala. Collaboration with 3D Storm Studio. The contractor who made the layout. We made everything actually.
Taga
So I
Cebu?
did the layout, taga Cebu. So I did the layout, dimensions, the unsa ko ganan prior to to the layout. So I have the dimensions of the ref, of the smart
Stove.
oven, of the dishwasher, of everything. Para at least I want functionality. So here, very important ang cooking. So I have induction, kaya di man pwede ang gas.
Yes.
And ratio, which is very important for kanang exhaust.
Exhaust.
So particular to the exhaust kay if you get a low quality exhaust, Yeah, magtuyo
Ang hangin.
air, but this
Yeah.
one, medyo ano siya. So, quality comes with the price as well. Then, the pantry, okay.
Pantry!
This is where the mga tawag ano, condiments, then tanan liquid,
Liquid
here
pantry.
na para organize siya. Yes. Then, okay, basically, mga nanagri, mga food and stuff.
Asa yung mga plato?
Plates, so here, I have the dishwasher here. So
Dishwasher.
after, diretso na lang. Then, storage for plates here. These two areas.
Alright.
So, then, utensils. Para functionality, para easy mag-cook, easy to get or to move around the kitchen, cooking. So, doing knives, then storage, mga nadala. So, kana siya. This one
Nice.
is for the cookwares. So, wala pa siya ng plaster.
Nice. Very good.
Functionality. So, kay dagan to storage, kaya importante, dagan ng gamit. So, I have the storage for the bread, for the polo,
Asa yung mga
organized
uban
stuff for
things?
the belts,
Ties.
yeah, underwears, then mga shirts na there. Then the other side, mga formal, formal stuff. So I have here the pants. This is the best
Oh.
part. Custom made na ko.
Oh, kanindot.
The pants,
Wow.
easy na lang. Then,
Maging anak sad ko.
yes. So,
Diin ka
very-
ana nga idea.
Wala, I told my contractor na I want na ka ng para easy
Nakahang
siya.
na
Nakita
siya,
niya
no?
nakahang na siya nga dahil. So,
Right.
ano,
Very good.
arrange pa.
Permission to copy.
You have, storage, so,
Hanger.
as well, both sides of the bed.
Nice.
So, yeah.
And view sa
Working
imong
area.
ano.
Here, the view, you have the ocean part dito in the mountain area. There.
Unsa na
This
dito?
side.
Ayala
Yeah,
area.
that's Ayala. Yeah.
Ayala area. And I live there, other side. And you have your own bathroom, right?
Bathroom. So, white lang because small space. Then, insert na yung tub.
Napakay tub. Oh, wow.
So, ganyan. Then, influenced by Japan, di ba? When we go to Japan, ang heated
Yes.
seats and, so, ganyan na dyan kami.
Japanese.
That's siya.
And tanawa iyang.
Those are my favorite perfumes. The Calvina, Kawasaki,
Nice. Ano ka ko? View is IT Park. On the other side. Beautiful view. The other side is Kasambagan. I live right there. Yeah. And since Ilonggo ang hosts, dapat Ilonggo sad ang snacks. So we have pinasugbo, butterscotch, my favorite, tiyaya, barquillos, and of course, bizcocho. Asa mo ani tito? Isa ni ulit. Yeah, ako na ni ha. Yay! Thank you! Ako na ni. Thank you. Gana man ko. So that's it, guys.
Yep.
Mao to atong Condo Tour and visit to Tito Phil's new crib.
Thank you for coming.
Thanks
and
for the lunch, Tito.
welcome anytime.
Balik ko next time.
Yes, neighbor.
5-minute walk.
Ayaw lang panuktok. Kung basta sa Lantica kulto.
Kung naibulan dito, please text.
Yes.
Thank
will
you.
do.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. Subscribe to
Like and subscribe. Marco from Cebu.